everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from Sanaa, and I am back with my weekly cash stuffing video for my paycheck of March the 14th, 2025, you guys. So let's get right into it. I am going to be stuffing $565, and it's all going to go into my variable weekly spending. I budgeted a little bit more this week because I know that I'm going to be having a family dinner, and I wanted to make sure that I budgeted enough money to spend on that dinner. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go through my wallet and we're going to see what monies we have left over. And then if I'm going to pull any money out for rollovers, we'll see. So me money for the first time in a long time. I don't have no money, y'all. Like, that sucks. Okay. All right. Dining out. I haven't been given to dining out because it's the month of Ramadan. And so I have a Ramadan meal sinking fund where that we eat out from that envelope. Car maintenance, I have nothing. Gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance in gas. So in gas, I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 31, 32, 33. So I have 133 in my gas sinking fund. And I like to keep a balance in here because gas can be expensive depending on what gas station I go to. And then for any emergency, groceries does have some money left over. Groceries has 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm going to keep the $23 in groceries because it will add to my overall budget this month. So let's see. And I've been under budget these past couple weeks, so that's good. Household. Let's see what we have left in household. We have $16 left in household, so I'm going to take that out. Minus 16, and that's 0. Okay. Giving is a sinking fund. I'm going to keep a balance. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I have $34 in giving. Buffer, I do keep a balance in buffer. So in buffer, we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have $21 in buffer. That money will remain in there as well. Back to bank is from my weekly expense video, you guys. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, please check it out here. This is the money I pulled from all my credit card spending last week. I pulled it from my cash envelope so I could pay my card back to 0. So there we have that. And Ramadan meals is the sinking fund. We have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. So we have $47 already budgeted to spend. I'm going to leave that money there. So we only have the $16 for the rollovers, okay? And you guys, I'm using my ZIPPY wallet. This happens to be the favorite style so far. I'm not going to lie. But yeah. Alrighty, so me money is going to get $40. So let me go ahead, and I have not had $0 in this envelope in a long time. I'm not even going to think about it because it's making me feel like, oh no, I need money in there. Okay, so $40 for me money. That is my weekly spending money. Dining out, I'm going to give $250 to dining out because remember, I'm planning for a family dinner and I want to make sure that I have enough money. So that's plus $250, and I have $250 in dining out. Okay, let's see. Car maintenance is going to get its usual $10, and that's just for tips at the car wash. I have not made it to cancel that subscription yet. Oops, I spent 10, and that was 0, so I'm adding 10. Okay. I have not gotten around to the car wash where I'm going to cancel that $45 a month. I'm definitely going to cancel it. So it says gas, I'm giving $25 to gas. But in all actuality, you guys, I really don't need, in gas, I already have $133. I feel like I'm going to give, I feel, you know, part of me wants to give it to me. But let's see if I could get away with only spending $40 this week. All right, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it in gas. I'm going to put it in gas because that's what I allotted it for. So plus 25. But, you know, I was going to put it in my money. I'm not going to lie, but okay. I don't need to because that's just going to make me spend money because it's there. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, 56, 57, 58. So I have 158. So yeah. Okay. Oops. 158 in gas. And that should be good. Sometimes it takes $100 to fill up my tank. So I'd rather have more than not. Groceries is going to get $200, and I already have some money left over in groceries. So 100, 200, 220, 21, 22, 23. So I'm adding 200, and that's 223 in food. We've been really doing good with our grocery budget. So, and then it's some other Ramadan, so nobody's really eating a lot. Nobody's eating during the day. Household is going to get $20. So I don't anticipate needing anything for household, but you just never know. We're good on foil, paper towels, toilet tissue. We're good on all of that stuff. So, yeah. Giving is going to get $15. And I do need to give this money away ASAP. So let's see. So giving is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So $49 in giving. And I just added 15. Okay. Alrighty. And oops, something came off there. So next we have Buffer. Buffer is only going to get $5. You guys, I didn't do any saving challenges yet. I am going to do my saving challenges. I just didn't do it now. So 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So $26 plus 5, and it's 26. Oh, wait. Oh, I'll fix that. Okay. So we have $26 in Buffer. And that is it. So I just stuffed $565 into my wallet for my variable weekly spending. As I said, I do anticipate some spending. So this here, I have $16, and I'm going to put that in my rollover sinking fund. So whenever I have money left over in my, what's it called? In my wallet, my variable spending, whenever I have money left over, I created a sinking fund called Rollovers that I'll throw that money in when I don't spend it. Now, the other thing is I do my $5 savings. So we do have a 5. So whenever I have $5 left over, I just throw it into my $5 savings envelope, which is here. I'll throw it in there. I need to run this through the laminator, but so yeah, these are savings challenges here. So I throw that there. So I am going to be adding $11 to rollovers. So let me just add 11, and let's count this money. Okay, so we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So we have $42 in rollovers, which is good because, again, it's money that I budgeted to spend at some point that I didn't spend. So I'm just seeing, you know, what I can save or accumulate from not spending money I already budgeted to spend, you guys. So there you have it. That was a really quick cash stuffing. But yeah, you guys, please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's any videos you want to see. I am making a list. I do know some people said they want to see videos about herbs and teas. My day in the life, which I did just film 2 days in the life, kind of like maybe vlogs, but I'm really going to do a full day in the life. Like, just go with me throughout my day of doing nothing, you guys. I don't really do much, but we'll see. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.